Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at numbers in tens. If you are new to my channel, this is MBI French Tutorials and Resources. Subscribe to this channel to get more of French videos and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime we post in new videos. Thank you, merci beaucoup. Now, let's start reciting the numbers in tens. Are you ready? Alonzi, let's go. Dix, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500. Question time. Identify these numbers in French. Très bien. 435. Excellent. 111. Wow. 205. Parfait. 351. Très bien. 215. Applaudissez. 472. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're learning French numbers for the first time and you don't have any idea on French numbers, I will be dropping some videos that will be helpful from number 1 to 100. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Au revoir. Bye.